Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, we are going to see solution for the second subdivision in question 3 from exercise 5.2. The question is, if x is equal to e power x by y, prove that dy by dx is equal to x minus y by x log x. So let's take out the expression again, write it. X is equal to e power x by y. So we're going to take log on both sides. So taking log, this becomes log x is equal to x by y log e. Actually, log e to the base e is going to be 1. So in the next step, I'm rewriting this as log x is equal to x by y. Now, we are going to actually start the differentiation only from this point in time. Till then, we have only modified the solution. So now this is going to be equal to, now rearrange this because we want dy by dx. So y log x is equal to x, or y is equal to x by log x. Now you can treat this as a u by v method. So u is going to be equal to x, v is equal to log x. Now let's write out u dash is 1, v dash is 1 by x. So on the left side, this expression will get reduced to dy by dx. On the right side, remember the formula, v u dash minus u v dash, the whole thing divided by v square. So v is log x, u dash is 1 minus u v dash. So it is x into 1 by x, the whole thing divided by v square, which is going to be log x. So now the log x, the whole squared. Now this is going to be equal to, simplifying on the numerator, it is log x minus 1. Let's compute that. So this is log x minus 1 divided by log x the whole squared is equal to dy by dx. Now the log x the whole squared can be written as log x into log x. So let's do that first. So I'm erasing this section. Log x the whole square, I'm just rewriting the numerator. As of now, I'm not going to change anything. So it is dy by dx is equal to log x minus 1 by log x into log x. Now this log x can be rewritten as, remember our statement before, we actually said that log x is equal to x by y, because that was how we took the logarithm on both sides. So this got reduced to x by y on the right side and x on the left side. So I'm replacing the log x because this is what I need to prove. I need the y to come back on the right side. So I'm going to replace the log x by x by y. So x by y minus 1. Here the denominator is log x into log x. 1 log x I'm going to replace by x by y log x. So now I'm going to retain this and take LCM in the numerator. So it is x minus y divided by so I'm going to take LCM in the numerator. So it is x minus y by y divided by x log x by y. So I can take out the y outside. So the final answer is going to be dy by dx is equal to x minus y by x log x. This is what they asked us to prove. So we managed to do that. Hence proved. So the one trick part that we did here is, since they wanted the y variable back in the right side, wherever we saw log x, we had to replace that particular value with x by y, then follow the necessary mathematical operation. We will end up getting the proof right. In the next video, we will see the solution to the third subdivision in this question. See you in the next video. Bye.